everyone, you're welcome to Kharis tutorials on Africa TV. I'm Simeon Grace. Today I'll be taking us on how to make corsets. In our tutorial today, the materials we'll be needing are the ready-made breast cup, the fabric, hairstay. I'll be using wadding, the soft wadding in this tutorial. We'll also be needing a lining. The measurements we're going to be making use of are the on the bust measurement, and it's just actually a crop top, so I'll be needing the on the bust and the length of the top. I'll also be needing the shoulder measurement since I'll be cutting it out as an off shoulder. Also, I'll be needing from the nipple point to the right side and the left side of our corset. We'll also be needing the nipple points to the on the bust measurements. This tutorial in less than 10 minutes are gonna be done, and you're going to enjoy this tutorial. It's so lovely. So let's move on. What I'm going to measure first is the half length, the length of my top is 20 inches and 2 inches allowance. Now the 6 inches is what I'm going to mark, and 8.5 for the armhole. The under bust measurement is 15 inches, so I'll add half inch, that's 15.5. Remember, it's an off shoulder, so you place your tape rule with -4 inches. That's the length. For the folding, we need to add 2 inches. I added 2 inches extra to my folding. So what I'm going to do first is to hide the 2 inches I added. That's the measurement is bust plus 8 divided by 4. Bust plus 8 divided by 4. So the bust measurement plus 8 divided by 4. Now I'm going to take the under bust circumference measurement plus 8 divided by 4. And the shoulder measurement divided by 2. Now I'm going to minus 1.5. Remember, it's more or less an off shoulder dress. It's a tube dress anyway. So that's minus 1.5. And I'm going to connect to the bust. Then from the bust to the under bust circumference measurement. So let's cut. So I'm going to unfold the 2 inches and now fold based on the nipple to nipple measurement. The nipple to nipple measurement here is 8 inches. And 8 inches will give us 4 inches. So I'm adding just 0.5 inches, 0.5 inch allowance. So from my under bust measurement, the nipple point is 3.5 inches. So from the base of the blouse, I'm going to measure 3.5 inches. So that is coming straight to the under bust, and on the neckline 3 inches. 3 inches. So from my 3 inches, I'll connect to the nipple point. Then from the nipple point to the under bust, good. Then straight to the base of my blouse. I'm going to cut this. So that's the 6 inches I measured. You can always determine the depth of your blouse. Mine is 6 inches. These are the sides. The next thing I'm going to cut is the wadding. I'm using a soft wadding in this tutorial. You can use your hairstay. You can use your BFF or any stay of your choice. So I'm using a soft wadding here. So just place your fabric to cut it out. You cut out the wording or the stay. You also cut out the lining for this. From the under bust now, so the nipple point. That's the nipple point. On the nipple point to the right side, 2.5 inches, and also to the left side is 2.5 inches. So I'm going to bring out my shape to the under bust. I was bringing out the corsets from the front bodice. So this goes straight up. I'm going to cut it out. This is one side. The other side as well is the same measurement. You can always measure, just place the tape rule to get the measurements. From the nipple point, 2.5 to the right and 2.5 inches to the left. So that's what I'm cutting out now. This is my under bust measurement. So I need my seam allowance. So we have the right side and we also have the left side. We need to join this. So this is my ready-made cup. I'm going to place my fabric to bring out the shape. So while cutting, I'm going to leave allowance, seam allowance. So I'll just cut the shape of my ready-made breast cup. This cup comes in sizes, so you choose your size. So I have the two fabrics for my ready-made cup. The next thing I'm going to do is to pin it down. I have the underbust, pin down the underbust and the upper part of our cup in order to get the middle. Now the excess, I'll need to notch the excess on one side and the excess on the other side. So having notched the two parts, I'm going to bring the notched parts together and I'm going to join. So I'm going to start joining this to the main fabric, and I'm going to start the joining from the middle. So that's the middle of my cup to the middle of the main dress. So I'm going to join one side first, starting from the middle, then I'll come back to join the other side. So after this, I'm going to top stitch on the sewing. In case you have an under wire, you can fix your under wire in case you have your under wire, you can fix that before top stitching. I'm going to top stitch round on the cup sew, and I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side of the cup. So that's one side of our corset. Fixing the next one. Just repeat the same process and top stitch on the fabric. Good. The next thing I'm going to do is to join the linings, the side, the middle, and the other side. I'll join the lining together before turning my fabric with the lining. The length of the lining here is reduced by 1.5 inches since I'm going to turn my blouse for the lining. So I reduce the length of the lining by 1.5 inches. After that, we're going to turn the neck. Just place your lining to close the sides of the dress as well, and that's all. I'm going to leave little space here to turn out my dress. The space here is where I'll be using to turn my dress inside out. And yeah, our corset is ready. So that's the end of our corset tutorial. I'm sure you enjoyed the class. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and click on the bell so as to get notifications for every of our upcoming videos. I remain Simeon Grace. You can follow us on Facebook and on Instagram at Africa TV. You can also follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Kharis Kreations. Till I see you next class. Stay cool.